Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a wreath made from items from Michael's and the Dollar Tree. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and press the like button. And also, I'll be putting the link for the other Dollar Tree wreaths that I have done down in the description box below. So let's get started. Okay, so first what I have is a wreath that I got from Michael's. It says it was $6, but I got it on sale. It's 50% off, and it was $3. And when I got home, I found out they made a mistake and gave me two. So I really got it for like $1.50 a piece. So first thing you're going to do is just kind of flatten it out or fluff it out or whatever because it's all bunched up. So you just go around and you do pull and separate the branches or what have you. And then I also got these pine cones from Michael's, and they were also on sale at 50% off. So they were a couple dollars too. And I just go around placing them to see how I would like them to lay. And once I get the layout that I would like, then I'll go back and tie them down with thread. I just double layered it and just tied them a few times around and put knots on it, and they were awful secure. You can tie it with something a little more sturdier, but what I had readily available was the thread, so it works either way. So if you don't have anything extra, just get some thread or whatever you might have and tie it down, and it'll work out just fine. So I go around the whole wreath and I secure everything down, and then once I'm done, I have basically the main part of the wreath done. Once you're done with this part, then you'll just go on to decorating it how you feel. I have these glitter blanch things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I cut them into little pieces so that I can poke them in and out throughout the wreath, and it gives it a little sparkle when it turns. They come in different colors, so you can get different colors besides silver, but I do like this season the silvers and the golds and different things like that, but they do come in other colors. But like I said, I just placed them around. You can hit these with a dab of glue so that they'll stay secure. My wreath is going to be inside, so I don't need it to, I'm not really worried about it blowing away somewhere down the street. And then I come back with these leaves, and they were from another Dollar Tree decoration that I had that I took apart. And so I'm layering them with the different little colored bead berry things. So this is really the color scheme that I was going for this season. And you'll see if you check out the other wreath DIYs that I have, this is the theme that I'm going for. But I just go around and I play with those, and I place those where I would like them to go. And then I end it with another Dollar Tree ornament that I found at the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of cute Dollar Tree ornaments this year. And then this is really it. And I also hung it with a wreath hanger that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's real cute, real simple, real easy, and you can customize it your way. So get creative. Okay, so that was it. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next DIY. Bye.